What I think is there's too much thinking in this country. Why women got to always think about themselves and all? Me, and all their happiness. That's what it's like over there. Why ain't you thinking about me or helping other people in society or in the slums or somewhere? Women piss me off. But don't get jealous cause you got sacked and she's with someone else. You should be a bigger man than that. And don't dash acid in her face for it. You bang out of order. See, if I'm going to do something bad, it's going to be for a much better reason than that. Enough said.